Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened at 5,140. So we expected crude oil to stay in buying. So right after the opening, the price tried to move up, and it took support near 5,120 and created a new high for the day around 5,170s. And after that, you could see there was a very sharp drop, and finally the price gave a bounce back and closed near 5,091. So it had created a new high and a new low. You could see the low is a bit lower compared to the last two days trading session, that was Friday and Thursday. So the huge volatility and a bounce back and closing near the previous day's closing, maybe a bit lower and equal to the day before Thursday, Wednesday closing. Everything shows that there is still some momentum on the buying side. So today the price is expected to open near 5,100. That's another thing we need to look at. So still we feel there is some good momentum on the buying side. So you can go for buying till 5,060 by placing stop loss near 5,048. So we will place a strict stop loss, and let's see how things are moving. And thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.